This podcast is provided for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our ABCC podcast. Today we have Ellen with us here again.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
And I realized that every time I did not mention my name. So once again, I'm Marcus. We both of us are from ABCC. Ellen is our CEO, and I am the business development manager here. And today's topic, we will be talking about seed phrase. So I think this is something that is a lot of people that are new to crypto, they may not be able to understand what this is. And in light of a lot of recent events of the crypto industry and the crypto markets, we thought that this is a good topic that we should touch on so that those of you out there who do not know what seed phrase is will actually have the knowledge probably after our session, hopefully. So without further ado, let's get on with it, and I'll let Ellen introduce on why seed phrase is important.
Yeah, sure. So in the unreal rise of the cryptocurrencies will be one of the significant milestones in the history of technology. So Bitcoin spelled the beginnings of a massive revolution that has transformed financial services, systems, and processes. Follow the footsteps of Bitcoin, many new cryptocurrency arrived into the market. At the same time, development of crypto exchanges and wallets enable better access to cryptocurrency. If you are seeking knowledge about cryptocurrency, you must know the answer to what is the seed phrase before using crypto. So basically, a seed phrase is the master key to your crypto funds in the wallet, and you are responsible for its safety.
Yeah, and thank you, Ellen, for that short and sweet introduction on a seed phrase and the why you should actually need to know it. I will touch a little bit more on why do you need a seed phrase. So the easiest way to understand the definition of a seed phrase in crypto would be to reflect on how crypto wallets work. So cryptocurrencies actually introduce the concept of a peer-to-peer cash system that we all know and we all like as well because of the ease of transfer, so on and so forth. So this actually enables users to control, of course, their digital assets, their cryptocurrencies. So crypto users actually do not have to depend on a third party or a centralized entity to manage their funds, like in a bank. So, but on the contrary, cryptocurrencies enable users to store and manage their money according to, of course, their own discretion. At the same time, you must also note that there is the factor of anonymity in crypto transactions. So users can actually access their crypto wallets by using the private key, which actually confirms their address. So there are many types of crypto wallets, such as web-based, such as hardware wallets. And however, if you actually lose access of your crypto wallets for any kind of reasons, for example, maybe you lost your hardware wallet by accident, or the computer in which you access your online crypto wallet has crashed, then how can you actually ensure your crypto wallet and your recovery of it? How do you ensure that it is smooth, and how do you ensure that you actually can recover your crypto wallet? So that is the importance of where a seed phrase comes into play. The answer would actually be, of course, the seed phrase itself. So you need the seed phrase for, of course, restoring your access to your crypto wallet and the funds in it on another device. So that speaks a lot of significance of what the seed phrase is for crypto owners.
Yeah, so basically the seed phrase is a collection of a random word from the word list, which is used to generate a crypto wallet upon the setup. So it serves as an emergency backup for recovering access to funds in case where you lose your access to the crypto wallet. So the importance of seed phrase and restoring access to lost crypto funds generally leads to confusion with private keys. Okay, so private keys is a one key that is a combination of numbers and alphabet, which help users to executing transaction from their crypto wallet. While the security of private key and the seed phrase share equal priorities of crypto owners, they have completely different functions. And individuals' access to private key or seed phrase is most likely to compromise the funds in your wallet.
So yeah, as like what Ellen mentioned, as much as we like to have the full discretion of our own keys, our own wallet, we also understand that all this responsibility totally lies on us to actually safe keep it. And we'll also touch on how to safe keep your seed phrase later on. But before that, maybe I can touch a little bit on how a seed phrase actually works. So actually, this is a little bit wordy, but it's good to know. So the definition of seed phrase, like what Ellen mentioned, is actually has actually created a lot of interest in how it actually works in practice. So crypto wallets actually work in a very different way than the physical wallets you carry, like your wallets that you store your cash, your cards. It's actually very, very different. So unlike all this, you will not find cryptocurrencies in a crypto wallet application. So I mean, unlike cash, you will not find those cryptocurrencies in your crypto wallet application. On the contrary, cryptocurrencies are actually stored in the form of code on the blockchain. So everything is actually on the blockchain itself. And the wallet serves as a bridge between you and your cryptocurrencies on the blockchain. Therefore, you will still have records of your funds safe on the blockchain in the event of losing access to your wallet. So the working of a seed phrase in crypto wallets is actually very similar to a recovery software. Take for example, if your computer goes crashes and then you want to recover it, a recovery software to recover your computer is actually very similar to the seed phrase for your wallet. So the distinct, I think seed phrases, not only that, they are actually created at the time of setting up your crypto wallet. So when you set up your crypto wallet, usually the very, very first few steps will be to show you the seed phrase. And then you have to key in the exact same seed phrase thereafter to make sure that you totally jotted them down and you understand that this seed phrase will not change as well. And the distinct highlight of seed phrases is that they are on a sequence of about 12 or 24 words arranged in random order. So the working of a seed phrase example also reflects how the words in a seed phrase associate directly with a string of random numbers. So this string is actually known as the seed and could help in generating the user's private master key. So you can use the private master key to generate other private keys of the user. And crypto wallet owners could also find the option of recovering a wallet by using the seed phrase in the wallet settings. However, it is actually important to enter the words in the exact order that they were generated. So even if you miss one, if you get the orders jumbled up, if you got all the words right, sorry, it will still not be the same outcome. Means you cannot actually access your wallet. If you got all the words right and the order is wrong, you will not be able to access it.
And so we have come to the end of part 1 of our Seed Phrase podcast. We'll see you guys again next week. Bye-bye. The information contained in or provided from or through this podcast is not intended to be and does not constitute as financial advice, investment advice, trading advice, or any other form of advices. The information in this podcast is general in nature and is not specific to you, the users, or anyone else. You should not make any decision, be it financial, investment, trading, or otherwise, based on any of the information presented in this podcast without undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or financial advisory. You understand that you are using any and all information shared in this podcast at your own risk. You are solely liable for any losses that you may incur from investing, and in no event shall we be liable for any losses which may be incurred while investing. Trading of cryptocurrencies is highly risky and may not be suitable for the general public. All opinions expressed by the program participants are solely their own current opinions and do not reflect the opinions of ABCC. Participants' opinions are based upon information they consider reliable. ABCC does not warrant the completeness or accuracy of such information and should not be relied upon as such.